It's 5:59 a.m. Your eyes snap open, a full minute before your alarm is set to go off. But the alarm never rings.
Else.
It's frozen. In the dead silence of your room, you can hear something else, a sound that's growing louder and louder. It's your own heartbeat pounding like a drum. Why? Your body thinks it just survived an attack. This is the start of a typical day. A day where the threats look a little different than they used to. An email notification flashes on your phone screen. It's an urgent request from your boss. Your body tenses. You're stuck in traffic, late for a meeting, your hands gripping the steering wheel, your jaw clenched tight. Your body prepares for a fight. In the office, you walk into a meeting. No one is shouting, but you can feel the tension in the room, the unspoken competition. Your body is on high alert, scanning for danger. Here's the thing your body doesn't know. These modern pressures aren't the life or death threats it was designed for, but it reacts anyway. Your body thinks this is danger. Let's take a look inside. Deep within you, nestled on top of your kidneys, are your adrenal glands. When your brain senses a threat, whether it's a real predator or just a stressful email, it sends a signal. It's like flipping a switch. Suddenly, these glands flood your system with hormones like adrenaline and cortisol. Imagine a powerful wave washing through your entire body. Your heart starts racing, pumping blood faster to your muscles, preparing you to either run or fight. Your pupils dilate, sharpening your vision. Your breathing becomes quick and shallow, taking in more oxygen. Every system is primed for immediate physical action. It's an incredible, powerful response that has kept our species alive for millennia. It's the fight-or-flight response. And it's happening inside you right now, probably more often than you think. To understand why this happens, we need to go back in time. Way back. Picture one of our ancient ancestors moving through a quiet forest. Suddenly, a twig snaps. Their head shoots up, ears straining, every muscle tensed. Their body is instantly flooded with those same stress hormones. It's what gives them the burst of energy to escape the predator that emerges from the shadows. This system is a masterpiece of evolution, designed for short, intense bursts of survival. Now fast forward to today. You're sitting at your desk, and that email notification pops up. The same internal alarm bells go off. That same ancient system kicks into gear. Your heart pounds, your muscles tense, your breathing quickens. Your body is preparing for a physical threat that isn't there. It can't tell the difference between a tiger in the bushes and a deadline on your calendar. The physical reaction is identical. So, what's the problem? This ancient survival system was designed to be turned on, used, and then turned off. But in our modern world, it's always on. Its constant state of low-grade stress takes a heavy toll. Think of your brain. When it's constantly bathed in stress hormones, it's like trying to think through a thick fog. It becomes harder to focus, to remember things, to make clear decisions. Your creativity suffers. Your productivity plummets. And what about your immune system? When your body is always in emergency mode, it diverts resources away from long-term projects like fighting off germs and repairing cells. Over time, this can leave you more vulnerable to getting sick. This leads to a vicious cycle. You spend the whole day feeling wired and on edge, your body running on fumes. Then, when it's finally time to rest, you can't. You lie in bed exhausted, but your mind is racing. You're too stressed to sleep, and the lack of sleep just makes you more stressed the next day. It's a downward spiral. Here's one of the most crucial things to understand about this system. It can't distinguish between a real threat and an imagined one. Lying there in the dark, you start replaying that awkward conversation from the meeting. You worry about the presentation you have to give next week. You imagine all the things that could go wrong. To your body, these thoughts are real. Each negative scenario you conjure in your mind triggers another small release of stress hormones. You are literally creating a physical stress response with just your imagination. The danger you're picturing feels completely real to your body. It's preparing to fight a battle that exists only in your head. So, are we just stuck with this outdated system, forever doomed to be stressed out by modern life? Absolutely not. You have the power to consciously turn it off. You can manually reset the system. It starts with something incredibly simple: your breath. When you're stressed, your breathing is shallow and rapid. By intentionally slowing it down, you send a powerful signal to your brain. Take a long, slow breath in, a long, slow breath out. This single action, deep, diaphragmatic breathing, tells your nervous system that the threat has passed. It's safe. As you continue to breathe slowly and deeply, you can feel the change. Your heart rate begins to slow down. Your muscles start to relax. The stress response starts to power down. You are actively taking control, telling your ancient biology that everything is okay. This isn't just a mental trick, it's a physiological command. So, as you go about your day, remember this: your body isn't broken, it's not failing you. It's running on a brilliant but ancient operating system that's just not perfectly suited for the unique dangers of the 21st century. The alerts are real, but the threats have changed. The key is learning to recognize the false alarms and consciously hit the reset button. Your body is an incredible machine, full of amazing systems like this one. If you're curious to learn more about how you work, make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching.